video I have explained about linkage and crossing over, okay, or recombination. And linkage is the phenomenon where the tendency of two genes which are located near to each other to get inherited together. Okay, so as the distance between two genes are more, okay, if the distance is more the distance between two genes is more, then the chance of getting crossed over will be more, and recombination will also be more. And if the distance between two genes is less, then there is less chance of crossing over and less chance of recombination. Okay, so this we can study through diagram. Okay, you can see here a cross is done between two fruit flies here and another two fruit flies. Here the characters taken are two different characters, that is white and color of the body and the color of the eyes is taken here, and here you can see white and miniature wing. Okay, miniature wing is another character. Okay, so two characters. Okay, it is both of these crosses are what dihybrid cross, and you can see that here the genes or the alleles of this color of the body and the color of the eyes, they are located very close to each other. Can you see? Yes, and here they are located little bit far away from each other. Can you see? Okay, now so when they produce the F1 generation, okay, so how they'll produce the F1 generation I'll show in another chart. If these are the parents, you can see this is yellow bodied and white, okay, yellow bodied and white eye color, okay, female is crossed with wild type. Wild type means this will be the dominant one and it's a male. Okay, can you see male? Okay, X and Y chromosome, just to show it is shown. Okay, as it is a what sex linked character, just to show this. Okay, a chromosome is shown in the form of a Y to just to distinguish these two chromosomes.